Ever wondered how to master Forex risk management? Today we're going to delve into this complex topic and break it down into easy-to-understand parts. Imagine the Forex landscape as a stormy sea. The market dynamics are unpredictable, just like the weather. But with a robust risk management plan, you can navigate these turbulent waters and reach your destination safely. Forex risk management is all about optimizing your gains and limiting your losses. It's a balancing act that requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to consider. First, size your positions wisely. This means not investing more than you can afford to lose in any single trade. It's about understanding your financial capacity and setting boundaries for yourself. Next, use stop-loss orders. These are your safety nets in case the market moves against you. By setting a stop-loss order, you're telling the market, if the price reaches this level, I want out. This way you can limit your losses and protect your capital. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By investing in different currency pairs, you can spread your risk and potentially increase your chances of making a profit. And finally, balance risk and reward. This means understanding the potential upside of a trade as well as the possible downside. It's about making informed decisions based on solid research and analysis. Remember, Forex trading is as much a psychological game as it is a financial one. Staying in control, embracing discipline, and managing your emotions can lead to better decision-making. Being flexible and adaptable is also key in Forex risk management. The market is constantly changing, and so should your strategies. Regularly refine your strategies to match market shifts and stay ahead of the game. In conclusion, Forex risk management is the foundation of your trading journey. By safeguarding your capital and making informed decisions, you can set yourself up for long-term success. So why not dive into Forex risk management today? Empower your trading journey. And remember, you're not alone in this. Join our community for more insights and discuss your experiences with like-minded individuals. Your journey to mastering Forex risk management starts now.